Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can enable the keyboard haptic sort of feature on the new iOS 16 software. So go to sounds and haptics right here, and as you can see I have sound under keyboard feedback. So if you want to add the haptics, select the keyboard feedback tab and enable haptic and turn off sound if you'd like. And whenever you type, there's going to be like vibrations on the sort of like app. That's pretty much how you can enable keyboard feedback, like the haptic one, and that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!